I'm going to show you how to do Ochaco Uraraka for My Hero Academia makeup look. Alright, so I'm going to put my wig cap on. So that my hair is not in my face like this. I'm going to use this foundation. It is the Revlon Color Stay Makeup Foundation in the shade Ivory. And using this sponge, I'm going to apply it all over my face like this. Okay, underneath the eyes, underneath the nose, on the nose, on the forehead, right. Next, I'm going to use this concealer. It is the Maybelline New York Fit Me concealer in the shade Sand. And I'm going to apply it underneath my eyes like this. And then I'm going to I just gotta clean my hands because I got foundation on them. And then using that blender brush, I'm going to rub it in. Next, I'm going to use this powder. It's the Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation Powder in the shade Porcelain. And I'm going to rub it in all over my face like this to seal in the foundation and the concealer. Next, I'm going to use this bronzer. It's the Wet n Wild Color-Con bronzer. It's this light brown shade, and I'm going to apply it on my face like this to give a more roundish head. You know, I already have a round head. Next, I'm going to use this eyelid primer. It's the LA Girl Pro Prep HD Color Correcting Face Primer. And I'm going to apply it on my upper eyelids like this. I'm going to rub it in. Do the other eyelid, rub it in. Okay. Next, using this eyeshadow palette, it is the Shona Kashuk eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use this light skin tone color, and using an eyeshadow brush, I'm going to apply it on my eyelids. Okay, next, Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this eyeliner. It's a liquid eyeliner. It's the Maybelline New York Tattoo Studio ink pen. And I'm going to put it on my upper lids. Like this. Then I'm going to use this mascara. It is the Max Volume Flash Waterproof Mascara in the color black. And I'm going to apply it on my upper and lower lashes like this. Next, I'm going to use this concealer. It is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear More Than Concealer. And I'm going to apply it on the ends of my eyebrows like this to give the illusion of shorter eyebrows. Then, using the same palette from earlier that I used on my eyelids, I'm going to use the eyeshadow brush and I'm going to seal the concealer. So my brows will look like this. Just have to fix it. Okay. Now I'm going to do my cheeks, and I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette. It's the NYC New York Color Individual Eyes eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use this pink shade right here. Alright, so I'm gonna apply it on my cheeks like this, and I'm gonna round it out to do her iconic cheeks. Do it on the other side like this, round it out. Like this. Last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my concealer from earlier, the Maybelline New York Fit Me concealer in the shade Sand, and I'm going to apply it on spots that I really don't want seen. I'll be right back. I'm going to put on my costume and then I'm gonna put my wig on. I am back. Now I'm going to put on my wig. This is my Ochaco Uraraka wig. Put it on like this. Fix the bangs. Flatten the hair. And that's how you do Ochaco Uraraka from My Hero Academia makeup look.